Welcome to Rodney Illustrations, Global Fusion, Dream Fuel. My name is Wayne, I'm an artist, and today we're going to be reviewing the Talisman Oracle deck by Nora Paskaleva. I've been waiting for the Talisman Oracle deck to drop for months upon months now, ever since I saw the teasing of this deck being posted online by the deck creator Nora from Talisman Thoughts. I knew that there was something incredibly special about it, and that this was a deck that I had to have in my collection. Now, I don't have a huge collection of tarot or oracle cards, and the decks that I've presented on this channel for review are from my personal collection. These are the decks and likewise the books that I've seen either online or in person in a shop, and something about it spoke to me, prompting me to buy it. Therefore, all of the content that you've seen me post on this channel outside of my own work, the Global Fusion Intuitive Tarot, are decks and metaphysical books that I value, and I'm sharing them with you because I feel like there's something worthwhile that you can appreciate for yourself, hopefully. Now, as for the Talisman Oracle, there's a lot about it that makes it special. The first thing that attracted me to it was, of course, the aesthetics. The clean and precise lines, the sacred geometry, the muted color scheme, and how hard and soft, light and dark are beautifully balanced. The tone of the deck is somber but not brooding, dark but not dreary or dreadful, invoking thought as the moniker Talisman Thoughts would imply. The sigils, the animal spirits, the iconography, perfectly blending with everything and coming together cohesively. The images in this oracle deck all feel symmetrical, but they have just the right balance of asymmetry so that they feel natural. It's subtle but quite masterfully done. The card back has a beautiful design with what appears to be the Talisman Thought motto, Ad Astra Par Ardua, which is Latin for through adversity to the stars. The cards themselves have black gilded edges and they feel incredibly good. They might be laminated or plastic, I'm not quite sure, but they're sturdy, flexible, and shiny. Now, I tend to treat my cards carefully anyway, but these cards seem like they'd be very durable for folks that like to do hardcore shuffling. I don't know. Now, there are 44 cards in total in the deck, and the package also comes with a pack of blank vellum paper for which you can use to trace the card sigils for your own personal purposes. This feature really amplifies the interactivity between the reader and the cards and makes it very personal in a way. Because of the energy exchange, you connect with the sigil, and by drawing it out and recreating it through your own efforts, you create this link, and it's really a wonderful touch. The guidebook that accompanies the cards is in black and white, and in it, it has both a short description of each card, but also a larger glyph which can be used for tracing. Now, the guidebook has a few entries in the beginning that help with the mindset as outlined by the deck creator, with things that you should take into consideration, such as the threefold law, how to charge the cards, thoughts on toxic versus genuine positivity, and how you could perhaps integrate oracle readings to bring clarity to your tarot readings if you're one of those people like myself that work primarily with tarot cards. At the back of the book, there's a brief bio on the creator, as well as a symbol key to assist you with the glyphs. Right now, I'll just go ahead and showcase the cards, and I sincerely hope that you'll enjoy them as much as I do. Of course, I'll leave a link to where you can find them in the description of this video. The deck is published by US Games Systems, the same company that published my own deck. And once again, the creator of this lovely enigmatic oracle deck is Nora Paskaleva, otherwise known as Talisman Thoughts. And that's it for the Talisman Oracle deck. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Wayne from Rodney Illustrations, creator of the Global Fusion Intuitive Tarot, published by US Games Systems. Wishing you all the best, peace, and blessings.